Stop doubting yourself. Stop thinking those thoughts that are not even yours. They are just the voices. They are just voices. Be present. Start touching yourself, your hair, the floor, the grass, the flowers, the diary, the phone. You're here. Come here. Come here. You're here. Here. Right now. Look at the time. Look at the day. You are here. यहाँ से निकलो. अभी के लिए निकल के दिखाओ. 1 मिनट ऐसे हो जाओ कि ओ आई एम जस्ट सिटिंग हियर. There is nothing happening to me. There is no external force. There is no external person. It's just your head, you know. And your head can be the biggest cage and the biggest prison that you can have. Take care of yourself. You have you, and you're the only person who knows what you have gone through. Who was there when you fell when you were in first standard? आपको आके किसने उठाया जब आपको लग गई थी? कल रात को when you were heavily crying, no one was there. चुप किसने कराया आपको? खुद से जाके चुप होंगे ना? When you were starving of food because you didn't feel like eating, who was there? अकेले एक हॉस्टल के कमरे में जब कोई नहीं था और आपको पता था आपके साथ क्या हो रहा है. You were lying on the floor with pain. Who was there? Every time, who has been there? Every time since the day you're born yourself. Not your mother, not your father, not your sister, friend, boyfriend, husband, wife. No, it was you. Who is there with me right now? It's me. 24 घंटे आपके साथ कौन रहता है? सिर्फ आप. 24 घंटे 1-1 मिनट. And you cannot do this much for yourself? Shame on you. Stop looking at me and start telling yourself that I love myself, I admire myself, and I will not accept anything that is not right for me. Just be done. Just be done. I don't know why you're so ungrateful to life and God. And I don't understand how you doubt yourself. Even I can sit here, cry for hours and say, why me, every time, why I have to suffer and go through things when I am the person who's doing good. You don't do that, okay? You just let the universe, let God direct you in life sometimes, because some things are just not in your control, and choosing your peace will never be wrong. Hear me out. You have not even, well, how old are you? If you're 21 right now, have you seen what's going to happen when you're 25? Do you know how will your 30th birthday be celebrated? Do you know where you will be when you will be 35? Do you know where you will sit and you will eat when you will be 41? Do you even know where you will be when you will be 23? What city you will be sitting in and maybe adoring a mountain or an ocean? Or maybe with whom you will be sitting? Do you even know? You have not even seen the best parts of your life and you are regretting. You're sitting here and doubting yourself. Have you even seen what's going to happen? Do you know what's going to happen 5 years down the line? Even I don't know. No one does. But the only thing in the worst of the worst things I know is that he is there. And it's not the end. It is not the end.